Hold on, Scoob. Already starting. Hold on, Scoob. Dog right here. Oh, it's bad out here. Oh man. Today, January 25th, 2026. It's my sister's birthday. Yeah, man, it's still coming down. This. Oh man. Yo, almost fell. Yo. Got my snowshoes on. Oh man. Oh. This is crazy. Look. It's slippery too. It's hard to breathe out here. I was going to use the bathroom. Or I'll bring a bag in my hand. Pick up. It's like hard to breathe out here. Scoob, he pretty much buried. It's early in the morning, guys. It's about 7:20 in the morning. Yeah, guys, y'all gotta pick your dog stuff up, man. You take the dog out. I be seeing a lot of people come outside with nothing. Just come out here and just use the bathroom. Don't pick it up. You gotta pick your dog stuff up, man. Pick your dog weed stuff. That ain't cool. But yeah, guys, I'm out. Winter Wonderland out here. This is crazy, dog. Scoob. I'm out. All right, guys, it's part 2. Oh my God, I can't even open the door. Hold on, Scoob. Let me pause this real quick. Dog, I can't even open the door. Come here, Scoob. Hope my dog want to come out here. Oh my God. Look. Come on, Scoob. Come on. Wait, let's go up here. Oh, shh. I was about to fall. Look. And it's still snowing. This is bad. Look at this. It's still snowing. Come on, Scoob. My dog about to get under the... Look. And it's still snowing out here. This is part 2 from earlier. Right now it's 4 o'clock. And it's still snowing. Look at this. Look at my foot. Look, watch this. Look. That's about a good 13, 14, 15 inches deep right there. Dog, he don't know what to do. Look at this. It's a Winter Wonderland. Ice a blizzard. Look at the door. Look how high this snow is. Look. Look. Come on, Scoob. He don't know what to do. I'm falling. He don't want to walk. The dog don't want to be. He want to use the bathroom. Go to the bathroom, Scoob. He's stressing. He don't know what to do. Come on, boy. Look. Come on, Scoob. I'm going to pick him up. I'm out, y'all. I gotta pick the dog up. Look how deep he is. All right, I got to go. Lastly, guys, this part 3. This is on the side. Look at all this snow. This is crazy, man. Part 3. I'm out.